Hey, hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, very good afternoon, ma'am. Okay, so by the way, how are you?
So good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So thanks for asking. So by the way, actually, this is our first time. So please say something about yourself. After that, we will discuss.
Okay, sure. Thank you for asking. First of all, my name is Susmita Kosik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm married person, mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm totally homemaker. That's all about me.
Okay, ma'am. You are doing masters in which subject?
In education subject.
Education subject. Okay, ma'am. So after your masters, what will you do? What you want to become?
I want to become a teacher. After that, I have to do B.Ed also. Yeah, I'm
Okay,
thinking about be a teacher.
okay,
Yes.
it's very good thing.
Okay, now please introduce yourself.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for asking about myself. Actually, my name is Varun and I am from West Bengal. Now I'm a student. I'm studying BSc in Physics Honors. This is my final year. Yeah, and now
Okay,
actually I'm learning this language and I'm running YouTube channel also. Yeah, that's all about.
okay, that's great. How long have you been? Are you learning this language?
Yeah, it will be almost 1 year. But when I started, that time I was not consistent. But in this time, I'm thinking I should learn this language. So that's why actually I want to try.
Okay, which kind of problem you faced? That's the reason you are learning this language.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, nowadays, when I speak English, actually, I can speak English with you now and front of camera. But when it comes to practically, that time I feel some hesitation and this type of things actually.
Okay, you are college boy. You should practice with your friends. Do you practice with them?
No, no, ma'am. Actually, my friend, every friend speaks in our mother tongue.
Okay. You are from West Bengal. Which place exit?
In Purulia district,
Purulia. Okay, I don't know then.
nearby
Uh,
Bardhaman, Mednipur, like this.
okay. Do you know Assam?
Yeah, I know Assam.
How far from your place?
It's a very far, but I don't know actually.
Okay then. Okay, it's there are also Bengali person in Assam.
Yeah, right.
There is relative here.
No, ma'am, I don't.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you are in college level. How far in your college you have to go by your house from
Yeah,
your
it's
house?
almost 25 kilometer.
You live in hostel or you
Yeah,
do
I live in hostel, but in this time I live at my home.
home?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, how members in your family?
yeah, there are 4 members in my family: my father, my mother, and my small brother, and include me. Yeah, that's all. What about you? Please say.
I'm here nuclear family as my husband, my baby, and I. Three members in my family now.
Okay, ma'am. So I want to know one thing. How to
Hello.
practice your English speaking?
Nothing special. I do conversation daily basis. I watch some videos, study, writing, reading, this kind of things I do.
Okay, ma'am. When you are studying college, that time you speak English or your mother tongue.
No, mother tongue. I did not get chance, and at that time I did not thought these languages will be necessary in future. That time I were not aware about this language, so I was comfortable in my mother tongue. I
Okay,
all my education have completed by in Assamese language.
Assamese language. Okay, so Assam is like a Bengali.
Yeah, similar. It's a
Yeah.
little bit similar. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so when did you decide you should learn this language?
Yeah, I want to learn this language, but before 7 months, I have been started this learning journey. I recently created my YouTube channel also. Name is Global English Quest for improve my communication.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Are you living in a village or city
Yeah,
area?
I live at village. Yeah.
Are you living in a village area?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, tell me about some, I will ask you some questions, okay?
Yeah.
In your childhood memory. Okay. Do you have any special childhood memory? Can you share?
No, ma'am. Actually, I don't remember.
Okay, I will give you some topics then. Okay. Might be you will remember about this topic. Okay, what about telephone? When nowadays each telephone is hiding, everyone has mobile. So when you saw your telephone first time, what was your reaction and what you thought that time?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I got for after class 10 when I passed my class 10. That time my father gave me. So that time I was very happy because first times I was actually using a smartphone like screen touch. That time I was very happy.
Okay, no, no, no. I'm asking about telephone, landline. Do you know?
Okay, telephone.
Yes, not mobile.
Telephone. Okay. Yeah,
When
ma'am.
you
Actually,
saw your first time telephone,
no, ma'am.
there
Actually, I
is,
didn't use telephone.
sorry, I did not got your voice.
Actually, I'm saying I didn't use telephone.
You did not use your telephone. Okay. Okay, that time, it's happened. One village, there's only one single or twice telephones in a whole village. And that's why I asked you, do you have any
No, ma'am.
special
Actually, I heard
memory?
about
Because,
this type of. Yeah.
whenever some people call, then it's happened. In my case, in our house, there was a telephone. So whenever call in telephone, then we have to go to them house and we had to call them. There is your call. This kind of thing. It's happened. It was so funny and memorable. That's why
Yeah,
I
yeah.
asked you.
Yeah, actually, I heard about this type of story, but actually, I didn't see this type of situation.
Okay, okay. Tell me, you are in your childhood, you are a quiet person or you are a bully person?
Mm, actually, that time you can say quiet person.
Okay, okay. Tell me, is there any special memory why you were quiet person?
Mm,
What
actually,
you wanted to do in your childhood, basically?
okay, ma'am, please say what's your questions.
I asked you what you wanted to do in your childhood.
Childhood. That time, actually, when I was class 5, that time, actually, I wanted to become a like officer. That time, yeah, it's
Okay.
actually, yeah, I remember very well this situation when I was facing one situation like when I was going our school. That time I was watching, yeah, this
Oh,
situation actually. One officer came our school. That time I was feeling, yeah, I have to.
I want to be like them, like
Yeah, yeah,
him.
yeah.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay. Okay, tell me then. Do you have any question?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I want to know if anyone wants to learn speaking English. So, what kind of practice?
Voice is breaking. Could you repeat?
Yeah, I'm clear.
No. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, actually, I want to know from you. Actually, if I want to learn English speaking, only English speaking. So, what kind of practice I should do, or what kind of grammar is important for English speaking?
You already are fluent
No, ma'am.
because
Actually, I'm
you did all.
actually I can understand English, but when it comes to speak, that time really I can feel hesitate.
In
When I
someone,
speak
your voice is
practically,
in front of someone practically,
yeah, yeah, that time.
isn't it? Okay. Even in my case also, I did not get chance to talk to any person in front, face to face. I just practice with in front of, like this, in front of mobile, in video call. I'm not facing this kind of situation nowadays, so I can't say what I have to do. Might be we are not feeling hesitate nowadays because we feel comfortable to talk with person. In video call also it's similar. You know, we do even though this video is recording, we have to upload this video. We are thinking like this. You know, that's why we speak fearless. Then
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
quite sufficient. It's quite sufficient in my opinion
Ma'am,
because
actually,
every
but I
people will watch this video.
yeah, actually, but I feel when I speak front of camera or now I'm practicing with you, but nowadays, sorry, in this time I'm not feeling hesitate. But when it comes to practically, when I speak my with my teacher, that time I feel hesitate. Yeah, this situation actually comes.
Okay, do one thing then. Which problem are you facing? Okay, which topic you feel uncomfortable to discuss? Then you try to practice at home. Which topic you have to discuss with your teacher?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do practice before
Actually,
going there.
no, ma'am. Actually, if I now I'm practicing with you, but in this type of say, sentence or this type of situation, when I comes to speak with my teacher in practically, that time I can't. Yeah, this is a
Okay, I think their vocab words. I think it's different, like here
yeah,
than
maybe.
here. In video call, it's happened in video call. We regularly consult, talk with people in same word. We use again and again this word. There is nothing special. When a random conversation, it's happened regularly, regular basis. It's same word. If we talk about different topic, if we discuss about different topic, then we get more vocab and different vocab. It will be very helpful.
Okay.
Then we feel confident because we get more vocab. Already we discussed it about we are familiar to this word, so we feel comfortable to talk with anyone in front of someone. I think in my case, but I did not get chance to talk to in front of someone, anyone.
You practice only on video call or any other technique you do?
No, nowadays I'm doing only video call. Especially for now, I opened my channel. I created my channel. That's the reason nowadays I'm only prefer to do video call. Before that, for practice, sometimes I prefer to audio call also. Do
Okay. So why did you create your YouTube channel and what's your reason behind it actually?
for my removing agitation and attract with people and knowing their perspective, what is the opinion of different topic. So I would like to discuss different topic for gaining my knowledge. That's the reason.
Okay, it's a very good thing. And one thing I want to know, how to improve vocabulary.
Vocabulary, you can study book. Do you study?
Yeah, I study, but actually I don't remember. I
Yeah,
can't
it's
remember.
happened also. It's happened. I also study one story or any chapter part 2 and 3 times. Then I feel, I remember a little bit. Otherwise, I also start to forget everything because this
Okay.
word, new for us. If you read again and again, then this word start to familiar. Then you can easily guess if you study again this word. Then okay, this is the meaning of this word. It's happened.
Okay, ma'am. So, did you attempt any spoken English class or you're practicing with yourself?
Now I'm taking English CRE classes nowadays.
From where?
I English CRE. Do you know?
No, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. English CRE is a platform for practice. There are tutors who guide us. They show our mistakes where we do. They show our mistakes, so it will be very helpful for us because whenever we talk similar person, then they do not correct us where we do mistake. They show our mistakes, so it will be very helpful for us for learning this language.
Okay, great.
Okay. Okay, do you have any question then?
No, ma'am. Actually, I don't have.
Okay. How is going on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's going well. In this time, uh, before 2 or 3 days, actually, I didn't upload.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any special reason?
Actually, now my exam is going on in practical, so that's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Do you speak with regular basis?
No, ma'am. It's my problem actually. I don't practice regularly.
Okay. Why? Lacking of time or what?
Actually, yeah, you can say. Actually, I go to college every day, and actually we have lots of work, practical assignment, this type of things. So that's why we don't.
Okay. What will you do after this, after a BSc?
After BSc, actually I have cracked IIT JAM. So actually I want to study MSc. Actually I have cleared a IIT JAM exam. So I want to go. Yeah,
You want to do MSc?
MSc.
Okay. You want to be a teacher, that means.
No, ma'am. Actually, I don't want to become a teacher. Actually, I want to study in MSc, but after my MSc, I want to prepare for civil service full time. But in this time, also, I'm preparing for civil service.
Okay, that's great. Why you want to be a IAS or this line?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, basically, my reason is that actually I want to work for India or in society. So that's why actually. And in this position, actually, because I want to go because there are lots of diversity to work in society. So that's why actually.
Okay, what are you thinking? What will you do after if you become IAS or IPS then? What are you thinking? Will you do?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I want to work for education sector, and also I want to work for health sector, and I want to work for women empowerment. Yeah, this type of things and poverty also. Whatever I have that time, so I will try.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Good to know. Okay, Varun, then I have to go now.
Nice to talk to you, and again we will meet.
Sure, sure. Nice to talk with you. Okay, have a good day.
Okay, bye. Nice to talk to you.